Hi friends, it's Destiny. I have a project share today. So yes, let's see. For my Halloween in August paper stash smash challenge, I did have some just spare sheets of the Spooktacular collection from Echo Park. So yeah, it was just like, I had a couple sheets of cut aparts and then just like a couple random sheets. So not enough really to make like an album or anything like that, but I thought it'd be perfect for mini notebooks, honestly. And I kind of just want to stock up on my mini notebooks for my Etsy shop, and then also for the first craft market I'm doing this year is actually going to be October 3rd. So beginning of October. So I feel like I do want to have a good amount of Halloween stuff because, you know, beginning of October, I feel like that's good timing for people to still be buying Halloween stuff, because like, especially journals, they could use it for their October daily or something like that. So I do want to have a decent supply of Halloween stuff. Rambling. Anyway, so I was able to make 6 of these 3x4 mini notebooks with the paper that I had. So the inside of them is all the same as far as like the paper, the extra sheets. The only thing that's different is this first page right here. They all have a different cut apart, just because I only had one sheet of the 3x4 cut aparts. So that is the only difference as far as the paper goes on the inside. So just different cut aparts right there. Other difference, they all got like a fun little paper clip. 2 of them are orange, and then this one randomly has a bat. And then, of course, I kind of picked different ribbon for this part. And then the ephemera pieces, I'll show you. But I'm just gonna flip through one because I don't feel like we need to see all of them because it's the same. But this one says, I've got this feeling inside my bones. I did do a silver foil instead of the holographic because I do have a lot of silver foil, and I just thought it'd be nice to use it for this. And it kind of ties in so that I was able to use my silver wire, which otherwise I have a hard time using the silver wire. But I think it looks good with this. So this one's I've got a feeling inside my bones. This is Halloween. Okay. They all have the same like back sheet as well. If you got it, haunt it. Sorry guys, also I've got this Band-Aid because I was making tacos the other night and I cheese grated my thumb. Oh, trick or treat. It's the spooky season. And just creeping it real. So yeah, let's just flip through one of them, and yeah, that's all we need to do. These will all be available in my Etsy shop. Probably we'll get those posted today. So yes. So, yeah, most of the paper is from the Spooktacular. I did have some random, just like recollections paper that I felt like the colors kind of matched well, and they were, whatever. And then they all get this little vellum bat sheet. I did put some like trim on this first page, and then I just tried to use up the sticker sheet as well that I had. So lots of stickers throughout these. So they all get 10 of the index cards. They get a little flip out page right here. They just have shut with this little paper clip. And these I actually made with the, let me show you. It was another thing I had selected for my paper stash. I had these Dollar Tree foam stickers, and since they are, like the same shape and symmetrical, I just kind of backed them on each other with some East 6000 glue, and now there's an adorable little paper clip. So I love that. Okay, so the tags that I made are all the same, but I did have an ephemera pack. So the other tags are gonna be random, but they have like the same amount of stuff, if that makes sense. So that's the first page with a little pocket, have a tag that is matted with white on the back, little peekaboo. I have some just random Life 360 cards that I was trying to find some that would kind of match just to add in there. So 10 more, just a random sheet. this little tag, I put some ribbon on so that would poke out of the top. Tiny little tag. This one, I love the colors of this collection because of the fact that there is this kind of like peachy pink. Obviously that's the seam binding, but you'll see like, let's see if I can find, you can see like there's this peachy pink in it that is just so pretty, and the orange is like more of a creamsicle orange. I just think it's cute. And then the back has a little side pocket as well. Another journaling card. Cute, cute little side pocket. And then that's more of that Recollections paper. It was a double-sided paper. So I just have that backed on some white, a little belly band here. This is just like a sheet that I put those sticker border on. This says a ghouls night out. And then I did make a tiny little envelope for all of these, and I just have those being held shut by this itty bitty little paper clip. So yes, that is what they look like on the inside. And so like I said, the paper, the layout is all the same. The only thing that's going to be different within these is the stickers themselves. There's going to be the same amount of stickers, and then these pieces of ephemera that you see, those will be different. But yeah, otherwise everything is the exact same. And I didn't really show, but these are definitely like, they're thick, they're chunky. So yeah, you could see they got a lot of goods in them, but I personally like when they're chunky. So that's me. But obviously if you take out like the paper clips and the ribbon or remove the seam binding, it will take down a lot of that chunkiness, but I like it. I think it's cute and fun. So anyway, I just wanted to say that they are thick with 3 C's. Sorry, I don't know why I said that. Anyway, same. And I actually just remembered that I have another notebook I want to share. It's not from this collection, but it's just like a random one. So let me go grab that really quick. Okay, so this is the other notebook I wanted to share. I just had one, so I'm just throwing it in this video. This is the notebook that I made with the kind of leftover scraps I had from that 6x6 Ghosts and Goblins pad after I made that mini album. So yeah, I just had enough to make one. But this is the cover. It says "So Scary," and then I thought the cover was kind of plain, so I did just decorate it with some like enamel dots to jazz it up. That's the back. Got some fun like ribbons and seam binding poking up. Same bat vellum, which this is from that new Recollections. I think it's like the Conjuring Night or something. So same kind of layout with the 10 cards, just put a bunch of like ephemera and tags in these pockets that I had. Had to paper piece for these tags though, because I was working with scraps, just some cut aparts. I made the little envelope right there. Okay, fun, 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 fun. And this one is already posted in my Etsy shop at the time that I'm filming this. The other ones I will get posted today at some point. Just, you know, takes me a hot minute to get all that done. And then, yeah, I've been trying to use up this purple cat paper, but I probably, with everything that I've used it for, I've still probably only used like maybe 3 sheets of like, I think I had 20. So yeah, we still got some work to do on that, but that's okay. I'll just keep it in my stash. It'll be good for Halloween. So yes, anyways, that is the other one that I wanted to share. And so very pleased with all these little notebooks that I was able to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.